All right. I'm back, guys. I am back for a second video. It's a follow-up video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please subscribe to my channel. All right. Hit the notification bell. I'm going to do a lot of training. I'm going to show you some low-ticket offers, some high-ticket offers. I'm going to show you how to do traffic, basically, is what I'm going to be doing. In this video, it's all about building an email list. And I'm going to show you how to get a 5,000 subscriber list for free and send emails to that list without paying a penny and make money every day. This is phenomenal. 12 years in the business, I've never seen anything like it. So let me just walk you through real quick. I'm not going to explain in detail because every single thing I'm talking about, every page I show you has a video. And that little 5, 7, 10-minute video explains everything in detail on how to do this. You could be up and running and emailing this list of 17 million people that they give you. And this 5,000 email list will grow. All right. So look, I'm going to put the link in the description on how to get this free list of 5,000. When I started 3 days ago, I started 0 credit card. Did have no information to put in for a credit card. I just joined. I saw it from a guy and I'm like, there's no way, right? There's no way you don't get this for free. But I was intrigued. So what did I do? As an entrepreneur, as an affiliate marketer, I jumped in and I checked it out and I cannot believe it. So I'm going to show you what's happened to me in 3 days with 0 out of pocket. And I'm building an email list that I can email every day, and every day it grows, and every day you make more money. And even with the upgrades, when you decide to upgrade in here, it expands the opportunity in your list and what you can email them. And it gets into CPA, it gets into affiliate programs where you make $40, $50, $70, $80 a sell off of the list that they gave you for free while it's growing. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal. Once you can come in here for free, you'll see. Here's the main page you'll come to. They have 17 million on their email list. How about that? Right? You're talking about making millions of dollars a year. When I started 3 days ago, I had 5,000, right? This is the beginning of my 3rd day. So this list has grown for me from a free $5,000 subscriber list to 756 more in 3 days. That's 250 new people on my list every day. Can you imagine every month what that's like? This is going to be huge. Day after day, month after month, it grows, right? And it's simple. We're going to show you how to come in here and do step 1. And we're going to show you exactly how you email your list. I did mine this morning, right? Right here. All of them have been sent out already. Look at the clicks and look at the opens. Look at the opens just today. Look at the opens. And these opens, you get paid 10 cents on every click. Are you kidding me? They'll explain to you what it means, right? And you'll go down here and they show you exactly how every day to click here and to send that email list 15 times for free. Then they give you another list that you can send 40,000 a day to. A video right here shows you exactly how you're building your list for free. All this is for free. I did my 2 this morning already. Already 250 people have looked at it, right? And every time they click on the link in the description, it's another 10 cents, right? So then I'm going to go over to my commissions. For 3 days, my commissions. Look into your, click here to log into it. I thought I was logged in, but here we go. Okay, now I'm logged in. All right, now I'm going to log in. This is your whole commission status page where you log in to see your referrals, what's going on. Here's your link if you want to promote it for free. Click my commissions. Boom, $22. And I know it's silly and it's not a lot of money, but it's free. It's free money every day, right? Every day it goes up $8, $9, $10. And then whenever I upgrade for a one-time fee, I can promote programs to that list and not make 10 cents a click, but actually make $60, $70, $80 because it's affiliate programs I'm promoting to them. All the emails are written. Everything is done. They'll put the link in your description. Everything's done. Everything is done. Are you kidding me? You're emailing your list 75,000 out of their email list a day. And my email list, I'm making $22 so far, and the morning just started. And I've grown my list to From 5,000 they gave me 3 days ago, 759. I'm telling you, this is redonkulous. That's a huge list. Could you imagine having that? You'll make thousands of dollars every day you send an email out. But we're starting here for free. And you can do this for free as long as you feel. I'll probably do it for 10 days. Then I'll upgrade and start promoting the bigger products and CPA offers where you get $3 and $4 a click instead of 10 cents. But look, if you have no money and you just want to build some money and you want to build a list that when you do get money, you can send real offers to that list and make $70, $80, $100 a click, this is it. This is absolutely phenomenal. So look, it's called ClickLink. I'm going to put my link in the description of this video. Click on it. It's going to take you to, I'm going to show you what it's going to take you to. So you know it's mine. Referral link. Click on that. We'll come over here. My referral link's right here. I'm going to open a new page. It's going to take you to this. Look. It's still everywhere. It includes a free $5,000 subscriber list that you get to email every day and make money off of. Watch this video. You don't need to watch these testimonies. I didn't. I ain't watched none of them. Okay? I'll have my testimony down there later. But it's going to get to the point where you're going to be making this much money, 130 to 250 a day, simply sending these emails out for free. And when you upgrade, these numbers could double. I promise you, this is crazy. So that's what it is. Click the link in the description. I'll also have a couple low-ticket programs that I do as well that I'll be able to promote to this list whenever I upgrade. Because when you upgrade, it's only $97 one time, and it allows you to promote your own products to that list. That's crazy. That's crazy. So click on the link in the description. Like and subscribe and hit the notification because I'm going to do a lot of these trainings on building this list. You're going to be watching me build this list and watch the money grow. You're going to see other trainings on how I do traffic. I'm going to put the traffic source that I use. It grows every day by hundreds. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right. Check it out. To comment, I'll have my text number in there. You can text me if you got any questions. Join this thing. Like the video. Help it grow so I can help other people. Subscribe so you can get all the updates that I'm going to do every day. Join me. Let's have some fun and let's make some money before Christmas. God bless. Peace out.